When your commercial roof is beyond repair, trust the experts who specialize in getting it right the first time. At Single Ply Roofing Experts, we deliver high-performance replacements across California, Nevada, and Arizona. From high-traffic facilities to expansive commercial buildings, we install energy-efficient systems designed for long-term durability. Every project begins with advanced diagnostics, pinpointing leaks, insulation gaps, and hidden damage before installation begins. With over 20 years of experience, our certified crews work safely and efficiently, even on the most complex commercial jobs, backed by industry-leading warranties. From budgeting and planning to project execution, we offer clear communication, local expertise, and flexible financing tailored to your needs. Whether it's a distribution center, retail hub, or industrial facility, get a roof built to last by experts you can trust. Schedule your free estimate today